The full suspension of the City of Ekurhuleni's top legal and human resources executive marks a dramatic escalation in what Mayor Nkosazana Xhakaza has described as an aggressive institutional renewal program aimed at restoring governance and accountability within the metro. Advocate Kemi Bihari, the city's head of legal services and human resources, Chief Linda Xhakaza, have now formally received charge sheets and are expected to appear before the municipality's disciplinary committee. Metro Chief Julius Mkhwanazi is also set to face additional charges and will appear before the same body. Xhakaza said these are lawful, structured processes, stressing that the proceedings will unfold strictly in line with municipal policy, labor legislation, and city's disciplinary framework. Although the specific charges have not yet been made public, all three officials were implicated during proceedings at the Madlanga Commission. Julius Mkhwanazi is facing serious allegations linked to the so-called Blue Light scandal and the alleged operation of a rogue unit within the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department (EMPD). Central to the claims is an accusation that he played a key role in attempts to have vehicles allegedly donated by underworld figure Vusi Musiket Madlala fitted with blue lights. Mkhwanazi has publicly acknowledged having what he described as brotherly relationship with Madlala, who has since been arrested on charges of attempted murder. Bihari and Xhakaza, meanwhile, stand accused of shielding Mkhwanazi from accountability. It is further alleged that the pair received salary increases of approximately 600,000 rand each as a reward for allegedly protecting him. Claims that have intensified scrutiny over the governance practices within the metro. In a parallel development, the mayor welcomed a firm court ruling against suspended Chief Information Officer Moloko Manyapayo's bid to interdict the city's internal disciplinary proceedings was dismissed with cost, marking his fourth unsuccessful legal challenge, each resulting in adverse findings against him. Xhakaza said the city remains firm in its commitment to consequence management. Internal disciplinary processes will proceed without obstruction or undue delay. He added that the court's decision reinforces the municipality's authority to act within the bounds of the law as it seeks to rebuild public trust and strengthen administrative integrity across departments. Meanwhile, Advocate Kemi Bihari vehemently denied allegations that his 600,000 rand salary increase was a reward for helping derail disciplinary action against EMPD. Acting Chief Julius Mkhwanazi, he dismissed the allegations as false, damaging, and devoid of evidence at the Madlanga Commission. The accusation traces back to testimony delivered in November 2025 by former Ekurhuleni employee relations head Xolani Nciza. Nciza alleged that disciplinary charges against Mkhwanazi were abruptly halted around February 2023, allegedly following pressure from then city manager Dr. Imogen Mashazi. In return, Nciza claimed Bihari and former Human Resource head Linda Xhakaza were rewarded with substantial salary increase for their loyalty. Bihari strongly rejected that version of events. He said claims that his pay hike was linked to making disciplinary charges go away were unfounded and aimed squarely at tarnishing his reputation. He said it is shocking and astonishing to be accused of receiving a 600,000 rand bribe. He suggested the increase was justified, arguing it followed the expansion of his responsibilities and workload within the municipality. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.